So now you understand no learning can take place until you learn this one word and you implement it. That one word I'm going to teach everyone in this room is called humility. Let me hear y'all say humility. Does anyone know what that means? What does it mean? Not to humiliate somebody, but to have humility. I'll explain it to you. I had a professor that did not like me. I didn't like him because he didn't like me. So I had to decide no learning is taking place until I humble myself. So I approached my professor. I said, sir, can you teach me science? I'm not learning it the way you're teaching it. And he looked at me with a look like, you know how people look at you. I ain't the only one who know how to look like this. Now, how many of you think he said yes? How many of y'all think he said no? He said yes. And guess what else he said? He said, did you know you're one of the hardest working students in my class? I like your work ethic. I said, I need help. He said, well, you got to come to my lab every morning at 8 o'clock. Anybody who's been to college, high school, you know, y'all get up early anyway. But in college, we try to take the late classes. We like to sleep long. All right, so I got up. I went every day. Every day I could go, I went. Now, come time to take that third test. And I stroll in, and I'm at the front again because I feel confident. And I sit down, and I take that test, and I leave. I come back 2 days later. How many of y'all think I passed my third test? How many of y'all think I did not pass? I passed. Come on, y'all, let's go. Now this is important. I passed with a C. But guess what? What did that do to me? It boosts my confidence, my self-esteem. And I took 10 more chemistry classes. When I graduated from the University of Pittsburgh, I was the only African-American out of 38,000 people to get a degree in chemistry. Boom. Let's go. Let's go.